Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to cut this built up neckline. So I'll start. The first thing you do is, here I've already cut my sides and I'll be using another colorful fabric to do my built up neckline. So here you have the front and back, and we start by cutting the neckline. So here I have 3 inches by 2 inches. I'll mark and then I'll cut. I indicated the shoulder joining, which is by 1/2 inch. Here I'm cutting the neckline of the front and the back. So you could see there is front and there is the back piece. So I'll remove the back because I'm done cutting the neckline for the back. So here for the front, I'll be using this colorful fabric to do the neckline. So here I have 90 by the length, the total length, which if you fold it, it becomes 45, and the length of my gown is 40. Why I made it to be longer is because it is necessary for it to be longer. So I'll start by marking the center of this neckline, and here I have 2.5. That means when you open it, you will have 5 inches. So I have it unfold, it is 2.5. If you open it, it's 5 inches. Okay, so the next thing to do is, from the apex of my shoulder, I will mark where I want the opening to stop, and mine is 9.5. On top, I don't want it to reveal my breast so much, so on top of my breast, which is 9.5, you could see where I placed my tape. Then the second thing is, from the center back, my back neck, to that 9.5, and here I have 12.5. I'm going to adjust my clothes because at this point my clothes went up. So here I have 12.5 from the back of my neck to that 9.5 I measured. I have 12.5. So that is the second step. So here I'm going to cut the first step, which is 9.5, right after where I will join my shoulder. So I mark 9.5. Remember, we're working only on this front piece. So here I have 2.5 here as my neck line. So here what I'll cut is 2 inches. What it simply means is the sewing allowance, I will pick quarter and quarter, so making it 2.5, but I will cut 2 inches all the way down. I hope you understand. From that 2 inches, I will connect it to the apex of the shoulder. Just very simple. So 2 inches connecting here and all the way down. So I'm going to cut. Very simple. I will indicate that this is only the front panel. Okay, and then indicate the back of the fabric. So now I'll bring the back of my bubu. I also indicate the wrong side of the fabric, and then the next thing I'll do is to show you how to join the shoulder. So I'll place my shoulder on the table. You can see what I'm doing, placing the shoulder, and then using that line that I marked before to go and join. Once I join, I will weave. So you do this same thing on the 2 sides. So coming on the build up neck, this is my neckline, what I'm using to build the neckline. Remember, we said that when you open it, it's going to be 5 inches. So here I'm opening it, and then I will notch the center. This is the center. Starting from the center, I will mark that's 12.5. So this is the second part now. From the center of this long rope, I'll mark 12.5. From that 12.5 is where I will hold and sew all the way down. I hope you understand what I'm explaining. So here I'm placing it on my machine to sew. Starting from that 12.5, I will sew all the way down. Okay, I'm done sewing. You will see. So this is what it's going to look like when you're done sewing it. And the next thing you do is to set it very well, iron out, and go on the machine and hold it together. Please don't be tempted not to hold it together. Make sure that you hold it together, and I will show you once I'm done holding mine together. So here now I will show you how to start. I've weaved the shoulder, and then I'll start fixing from the center of my bubu. So I'm going to show you, and I'm also going to go on the machine and sew it. So please watch what I'm doing from the center. Okay, from the center, this is the way I'm just going to gently hold it on the machine. So this is the reason why I need it to be longer, so that you don't struggle with it, so that it doesn't reduce when you're joining it together. So here on the machine, I'm going to join it. So here I'm done joining the first side. So what I'll do is I'll measure to see the remaining, and here what is remaining is like 3.75. This is very important. It helps to guide you on what to do on the other side. So on the other side, I'm also going to measure that exact 3.75, and then I'm going to notch it. What this thing helps is, it helps you to build accuracy. It helps that when you're joining the other side, you don't run shortage and you don't drag the fabric. Okay, so here you could see what I'm doing. On the other side, I started exactly where I notched and placed, and I'm going to be coming from the down now, coming to sew all the way up. Okay, it's very simple. All you just have to do is take it easy, and as you're sewing, you're also checking. So over here, I'm done sewing the sides, and I'm done weaving it. I'll gently lay it in front and iron, but first I'm going to cut off this excess. Okay, this excess is very necessary. Okay, so I will now cut it off because I'm done joining it, and I will gently iron. So basically that is how to do this. At the end of the day, I'm going to place the front and the back this way, and make sure that the sides does not there's no excess by the sides. So mine has a little excess, so that's why I'm trimming it off. And that is how to build this neckline. Very easy, very simple. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.